Imagine this: your phone, your lifeline to the world, silently duplicated, your calls, messages, even your online identity compromised. This isn't science fiction, it's the unsettling reality of phone cloning. Once confined to spy thrillers, phone cloning is surging, impacting individuals and businesses globally. Hackers, armed with sophisticated tools and techniques, can now effortlessly breach the walls of our digital lives. The rise of sophisticated hacking tools, coupled with our increasing reliance on smartphones, creates a fertile ground for this silent epidemic. But how exactly does phone cloning work, and what dangers does it pose? As we delve deeper into the world of phone cloning, we'll unravel the methods employed by hackers, using the popular operating system Kali Linux as a focal point. Phone cloning is the act of creating an unauthorized duplicate of a mobile phone. This identical replica allows hackers to make calls, send messages, and access personal data, all while posing as the legitimate owner. The process exploits the technology behind SIM cards, the tiny chips holding your phone number and network identity. By obtaining your SIM card information, hackers can create a clone, effectively taking control of your digital life. Two main methods prevail: SIM cloning, involving the physical duplication of your SIM card, and SIM swapping, where hackers deceive your mobile carrier into transferring your phone number to a SIM card they control. Understanding these methods is crucial. It's the first step in grasping the severity of this threat and learning how to protect ourselves. Kali Linux, a Debian-based operating system, has become synonymous with ethical hacking and cybersecurity training. It is widely used by security professionals and enthusiasts alike for its robust and versatile toolkit. However, its powerful tools can be misused for malicious purposes, including phone cloning, data breaches, and unauthorized network access. The same tools that protect can also be turned against us. This open-source platform provides a suite of pre-installed utilities, making it a one-stop shop for hackers. From penetration testing to network analysis, Kali Linux offers a comprehensive array of tools. Tools like Airgeddon, Wireshark, and Metasploit are just the tip of the iceberg. Each tool serves a unique purpose, catering to different aspects of cybersecurity and hacking. Airgeddon, for instance, exploits vulnerabilities in Wi-Fi networks to intercept data, potentially capturing sensitive information like SIM card data. It can be used to perform man-in-the-middle attacks, deauthenticate users, and even crack Wi-Fi passwords. Wireshark acts as a network eavesdropper, analyzing data packets transmitted over a network, including login credentials and personal details. It is an essential tool for network administrators and hackers alike, providing deep insights into network traffic. Metasploit, a powerful exploitation framework, allows hackers to develop and execute exploits, taking advantage of vulnerabilities in systems and software to gain unauthorized access. It is a favorite among penetration testers for its extensive database of known exploits. In the context of phone cloning, it can be used to target specific phone models or network vulnerabilities. By exploiting these weaknesses, hackers can clone a phone, gaining access to all its data and functionalities, posing a significant threat to personal security. The cloning process, though technically complex, can be broken down into digestible steps. Understanding these steps can help in recognizing and preventing potential threats. Hackers often begin with reconnaissance, gathering information about their target, such as their phone number and network provider. This initial phase is crucial as it lays the groundwork for the subsequent steps. Social engineering techniques like phishing emails or deceptive phone calls often come into play. These methods are designed to manipulate individuals into divulging confidential information. Hackers may impersonate legitimate entities to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information, like their SIM card's unique identification number, ICID. This number is essential for the cloning process. Once they have the ICCID, hackers can use tools like a SIM card writer to create a duplicate SIM card. This device allows them to copy the data from the original SIM card onto a new one. This duplicate, when inserted into a compatible phone, effectively becomes a clone of the victim's phone. It can then be used to make calls, send texts, and access data as if it were the original. In other cases, hackers exploit vulnerabilities in mobile networks to intercept and capture data transmitted between a phone and the network, including the SIM card's authentication credentials. This method can be more sophisticated and harder to detect. This intercepted data can then be used to create a cloned SIM card. The process involves using specialized software to replicate the SIM card's information accurately. The ease with which these attacks can be executed is alarming, highlighting the urgent need for increased awareness and robust security measures. Individuals and organizations must stay vigilant and adopt best practices to safeguard their information. The high cost of a cloned phone. The consequences of a successful phone cloning attack can be devastating. Hackers can intercept calls and messages, gaining access to sensitive personal and financial information. Two-factor authentication, a security measure many rely on, becomes useless as hackers receive verification codes sent to the cloned phone. Online accounts from social media profiles to banking apps are left vulnerable to takeover. Identity theft becomes a real threat. Hackers can use the cloned phone to impersonate the victim, opening new accounts, making unauthorized purchases, or even committing crimes in their name. The financial and emotional toll on victims can be immense. Recovering from a phone cloning attack can be a lengthy and stressful process, often requiring legal assistance and credit monitoring services. Building your defenses practical protection tips. In this section, we will explore various strategies to safeguard your personal information and ensure your digital security. While the threat of phone cloning is real, there are steps you can take to protect yourself. Awareness is key. Being informed about potential risks and staying vigilant can make a significant difference in your security. Be wary of suspicious emails, phone calls, or text messages requesting personal information. These could be phishing attempts designed to steal your data. Enable two-factor authentication on all your accounts whenever possible. This simple step can greatly enhance your security by requiring a second form of verification. This adds an extra layer of security, making it harder for hackers to gain access, even if they have your SIM card information. It acts as a barrier, ensuring that your accounts remain protected. Set a strong PIN or password on your phone and SIM card. A robust password is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. Avoid using easily guessable information like your birth date or common sequences. Instead, opt for a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Regularly update your phone's operating system and apps to patch vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Keeping your software up to date is crucial for maintaining security. If you suspect your phone has been cloned, contact your mobile carrier immediately to suspend your service and report the incident. Prompt action can prevent further damage. You should also report the incident to the appropriate authorities. Reporting helps in tracking and mitigating such threats, ensuring a safer digital environment for everyone. Staying ahead of the curve. Knowledge is power. In the digital age, knowledge is our most potent weapon against cyber threats like phone cloning. Staying informed about the latest hacking techniques, vulnerabilities, and security best practices is crucial. Numerous online resources from cybersecurity blogs to reputable tech websites provide valuable information and updates on emerging threats. Educate yourself and your loved ones about the risks of phone cloning and how to mitigate them. Remember, cybersecurity is a shared responsibility. By staying vigilant, taking proactive measures, and spreading awareness, we can create a safer digital environment for everyone. Beyond individual impact, a broader perspective. The implications of phone cloning extend far beyond individual victims. As our reliance on mobile devices for communication, financial transactions, and even critical infrastructure grows, so does the potential impact of these attacks. Large-scale phone cloning attacks can disrupt businesses, cripple communication networks, and even threaten national security. Imagine the chaos if hackers could simultaneously clone thousands of phones belonging to government officials, military personnel, or emergency responders. The economic impact of phone cloning is also significant. Businesses can suffer substantial financial losses from fraudulent transactions, data breaches, and the reputational damage associated with such attacks. Addressing this growing threat requires a multi-pronged approach involving collaboration between governments, mobile carriers, technology companies, and individuals. The future of phone security, a call to action. As technology advances, so too will the methods employed by hackers. Phone cloning is not a static threat, but a constantly evolving danger that demands our attention. Mobile carriers must enhance their security measures, implementing stricter authentication protocols and fraud detection systems to stay ahead of sophisticated hacking techniques. Technology companies must prioritize security in their product development, ensuring that mobile devices are equipped with robust safeguards against cloning attacks. Governments play a crucial role in enacting legislation that strengthens cybersecurity, criminalizes phone cloning and protects victims of these attacks. International cooperation is essential to effectively combat this global threat. The future of phone security hinges on a collective effort. By working together, we can create a safer, more secure digital world for everyone.